Take a look at this 1955 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, Stepside, short box, absolutely beautiful truck. Not a lot of miles on since this was restored. Engine was rebuilt, interior's redone. It's powered by a small block Chev 350 paired with a manual 4-speed transmission. See, the black paint looks very nice on it. There may be a few nicks and scratches here and there, but overall, very, very nice. See, it's got a nice luster to it. You can see the reflection in the ceilings and off the wall. Again, not a lot of miles put on this vehicle since it was restored. This came in on trade to us. According to the previous owner, this doesn't have a lot over 400, 500, 600. Like I said, since it was restored. If you want to check out the underside picture, you can see how clean it is underneath there too, engine bay, interior. Those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Left the tailgate down back here too, so you can see the wood in the box, absolutely like new. Very, very nice. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com is the website, and check out all the pictures on. Check out the underside pics. I'm going to go ahead and start this up. It has this kind of cool gauge cluster. It retains the stock dash. Obviously, it's been repainted in the saddle in black, but it has VHX gauges in it. Digital. They all seem to work from the little bit I've played around with it. As you can see, the saddle seat vinyl, very nice shape. Cab finished off as nice as the exterior of this vehicle. Doors painted to match. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Very nice sounding engine too. There's an idea what that gauge is. Shows 33 miles probably since the gauge was installed. Looks like the gas works. Volts, oil pressure, RPMs. Little aftermarket stereo put in there, which also works fine. Slip around to the back so you can hear the rumble of this. Also, as you can see, the all-new rubber in the doors, both sides. They close very nicely too. You know, on some of those trucks, it's tough to get them to close up straight and even. Side exhaust down there in front of the rear wheels. Nothing crazy, but a nice little rumble out of this 55 Chev. Feel free to give us a call if you'd like to know more about this truck. Maybe inquire about transportation to your location. We can sure assist with that also. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Once again, the website's uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out any of those pictures you'd like to look at. 1955 Chevrolet 3100 short box Stepside.